Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D composition of a box with some ampersands inside. I found that idea on Pinterest while I was looking for inspiration, and I came across a design by Ben Fearnley. I found it very interesting, so I thought you may like to see how it's done. So let's begin. I have opened Cinema 4D, and the first thing is to add a background. To do this, I will need the backdrop object from here. Let's add a material to it, so we will not get confused with the other objects we will add. By the way, these materials are from my solid material pack, and you can find links on the description. If you are on Patreon, you can have a discount as well. So next, we need to create a box for the scene. We need two squares and a sweep. One square will be the shape of the cube and the other will be the thickness of the object. So we need two squares and the sweep from here. And we need to have the squares, the rectangles as it says here, under the sweep. Like that. Let's now change some settings on them. The top square will need to be 2 cm on width and 31 cm on height. So we'll change that to 2 on width and 31 on height. Let's see that. Okay, it is here. The second one will need to be 40 for the width and height. And we need to add the rounding of 2 centimeters. Let's move it also a bit higher, like that. Now we need to add the surface on the back of the cube. To do that, we're going to add a plane object. I will change the dimensions to 40 by 40. And also rotate it by 90 degrees. Let's move it upwards and fit it on the back of the cube. Okay, I will add a color material on the cube too. I will have yellow for the round part, but something darker for the back part. Let's have the yellow for the sweep. And then let's choose this dark purple for the back. Okay, now let's add some lights. I will choose a simple light and change the position to where I see is better for my composition. Like that. I will also put soft shadows on the settings, so go to shadows and then choose soft. So maybe I will choose the position to a better angle, like this. Okay, then I will make some copies of this light and just change like the position to where I see is better for the whole composition. So let's make the copy. Something like this will work, but if we see later that the position of the lights will be better in a different angle, we can change it. I will add a camera as well, so I can have a fixed angle later for my render. And now we will need to fill the box with the ampersand signs. To do that, I will add the text object. Be careful to choose the text object, not the text spline. I will change it to an ampersand sign. Make the height 10 centimeters. Then change the font to, I will choose Gotham Black as it is very bold. And make the depth 2 centimeters. Let's move it upwards like this. And next I will make several copies of that and play with the rotation, the size and the angle of each of these objects. Okay, now I think it looks quite good. Last thing is to add some color materials to the ampersands. I will choose 3 or 4 colors to have variety and look more vibrant. I think it looks nice, so let's go and edit the render settings. I will have the ambient occlusion selected because I really like how the shadows look with that. Then I will choose the resolution, the file type, and the destination of my file. And all we have to do then is to render the design. So that was it. I hope you found this video interesting, and if you did, like, share, subscribe. For the project file as well as the material collection, you can find them on the links on the description. Till next time, take care. Bye.